Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get the Vanguard Swimsuit top in Roblox. First, you'll need to launch the Vanguard, stellar conflict game on the Roblox platform. Once inside, look for the current special event or challenge that features this exclusive item as a reward. Make sure your character is prepared and meets any initial requirements, like a minimum level or completed tutorial missions, before diving in. To earn the top, you'll typically need to complete a specific in-game challenge or minigame. This might involve collecting a certain number of special tokens, defeating a set number of enemies, or finishing a timed obstacle course. Once you've successfully met all the objectives, find the designated non-player character, or NPC, who is responsible for distributing event rewards. They will help you claim your new item. For tougher challenges, consider teaming up with friends. Cooperation can make completing objectives much faster and more enjoyable. Always keep an eye on the game's official social media channels or community forums for any helpful tips, event updates, or secret strategies that other players might share. Remember, some tasks might take a few tries, so don't get discouraged if you don't succeed on your first attempt. Persistence pays off. After successfully completing the event and interacting with the reward NPC, double-check your Roblox inventory to ensure the Vanguard swimsuit top has been added. You can then equip it to customize your avatar and show off your achievement in-game. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading your favorite books anywhere, anytime, with its glare-free display and long battery life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.